Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew. In today's episode, we're talking about doing website maintenance and marketing. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to this episode. Today we're talking about doing website maintenance and marketing. Now, what is website maintenance? Website maintenance essentially is managing a website for somebody on the back end. This is clearing their cache for them, possibly doing templates, restructuring the layout. There's many different aspects when it comes to website maintenance. Even clearing out the website email if it's filled with archived emails, or creating a new email. There's all kinds of stuff when it comes to website maintenance. Now, what is website marketing? Marketing of a website is essentially promoting the website, whether it's on your own website, whether it's on social media, making podcast ads, YouTube ads, anything like that to promote that one website. Kind of like when I'm here on these videos and I happen to mention that if you head over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog, you'll be able to find more detailed information on these topics that I'm mentioning now in the videos. You can also be able to sign up there to order a copy of my book, Income Booster, 100 Plus Businesses You Can Start From Home Right Now to Ditch the 9-to-5. That is marketing. Now, essentially, it is the same thing for websites. You put it on social media to go and visit a certain website and why it might be beneficial to you to go to this website, or services that they might offer on that website. Kind of like how I periodically will mention going to Canva to do graphic design, whether it's for t-shirts, your YouTube thumbnails, Twitch, Pinterest, Instagram, whatever it is that you may need to do graphics for. Perfect example. I'm promoting that website for you to use as an asset because it has something that will benefit you. Or even mentioning that down below there's a link to STREAMYARD. STREAMYARD is one of the ways that I do my live streams, as well as how I record a lot of my videos. Why do I use StreamYard to do recordings? One, it makes it easier for me to be able to record compared to recording directly on my camera that I'm using right now. It would require me to record directly to my camera, and then in turn, I would have to hook up an extra cord to download those videos and then edit them and then upload them. Whereas by using StreamYard, not only can I live stream under the 1000 requirement for YouTube, but it allows me to record the videos and then download them so I can then edit them and then re-upload to YouTube. So I hope that gives you an understanding of what basic website maintenance is and what website marketing is. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop your questions down below in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next episode.